What's up guys, Lane Whitaker here from Grind City Media. It's time to make chicken wings. Wait, we already made chicken wings a couple weeks ago. Teriyaki chicken wings, yeah. Today we're gonna smoke some chicken wings, and actually this is my favorite way of making chicken wings. They're gonna be crispy on the outside thanks to a little trick I learned. They're gonna be juicy on the inside. They're gonna be awesome. This is smoked chicken wings. This is Cooking with Lane. You can do it. Let's do it together. Let's go. Today we are making smoked chicken wings. All right, we're gonna smoke chicken wings. To do that, first we need to season the chicken wings, and we're gonna use a little trick here. It's gonna help make them crispy, because usually when you smoke stuff, it doesn't get hot enough to really crisp the skin. This is gonna help us out a little bit. First of all, we got some spices right here. I got 3 tablespoons of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, just enough to kind of reinforce that smoke flavor. The other trick here is half a teaspoon of baking powder. Why baking powder? Well, science, blah, 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 crispy skin, okay? So we're gonna use half a teaspoon of baking powder. It's gonna just go, let's put it right there. And now we mix all this together in this bowl. You wanna mix it up really well because baking powder is kind of a metallic flavor, and you don't want it to taste too much like that. You just really want it for the alkaline properties. This is about 4 pounds, 3.5 to 4 pounds of chicken wings, drumsticks, and flats. I'm a flat guy. Some people like the drumsticks. A little bit of both. I'm just gonna take some of this, rub, throw it in there, then give it a little stir. Then just keep adding a little bit at a time. I just wanna make sure all of it gets some, and that the rub kind of coats every piece of the chicken. And then we're gonna get them ready. The grill's ready. So once these are all coated and good to go, we can go to the grill. Got the seasoning mixed all the way in here. Every piece should be coated with some of the seasoning mix. I'm gonna let it sit here for like 15 minutes and just get into the chicken. The grill's almost ready to go, and then we'll take this outside and finish these guys off. We're at the grill. It's time to cook the chicken wings. One thing I got to correct. I said 3 tablespoons of salt, just 3 teaspoons of salt. I do a 3-to-1 ratio. 3 teaspoons salt, 1 part pepper, maybe garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. You saw the stuff. 3-to-1. Anyway, chicken wings are going on the grill. I got the fire going on this side. This side's where we're going to put the chicken wings. So I'm going to kind of shingle them on here. I don't want them touching each other as much as I can. Try to leave a little space because that's where the smoke's going to go in there and get flavor on all these wings. And I'm just going to lay them all out here. There's your last wing. Those are on the grill. They're not perfect, but it's pretty close to having them all separate. Now we're going to put the smoke in, or what's going to make the smoke. I've got some applewood chips. They've been soaking in some water. I'm going to open up this side of the grill. I've got a handful of these chips. I don't want the water, but it doesn't matter if it drips on there a little bit. We'll throw in just about a good handful of wet chips. And that's it. I'm not gonna bother cleaning anything. Lid goes on. Holes over the chicken wings, so the smoke's gonna come up, get drawn across the chicken wings, come up through these holes. I can already smell it starting to smoke. We're gonna give it like 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes until the smoke dies out. Then we're gonna give it one more batch of chips. Probably 30 minutes total. These wings are gonna be incredible. Been about 10 minutes here and the chicken wings have gotten a lot of smoke already. Let's take this off and see how they look. I bet they're gonna be a nice dark brown color. Look at that. Look gorgeous. So we're gonna give it one more handful of wood chips to give it one more kind of bath of smoke. Give it another 10 minutes or so, and they'll probably be just about done. Let's put the lid back on and let them smoke some more. Been about 25 minutes, close to 30 maybe, and there we go. Look how nice those look. That mahogany color from the smoke. I'm gonna check the temperature. The big ones, let's try one of the bigger ones. It's almost 170, like that's perfect. So these are gonna be good to go. The one thing I wanna do, besides the baking powder to help these crisp up, is use the actual fire. So before I take them off, I'm just gonna put them on the fire for about a minute per side. Find the hot spots over here. And let them get really nice and crispy. Time to eat. Let's see if we nail these guys. They look good. They smell incredible. Let's see. Skin's crispy. You taste the smoke, you taste the salt. They are so moist on the inside. And they also have like the garlicky onion flavor. Oh, they're so good. This is perfect. And there's no sauce, nothing like that. It's just wings straight off the grill. We just made the incredible smoked wings. You can do it too. I did it, you do it. This is Cooking with Lang. Make some smoked chicken wings. Let's do it.